Yo, we are back. I'm back. So today is another completely unknown quantity boxing for you all. We're going to experience it together. Okay, so this is the Nike Air Force One React All-Star Black Barely Green. Okay, so I managed to get my hands on the newly released, well, let's start from the beginning. Don't know if you know, but the All-Star weekend just happened a week ago, the 7th of March, and I didn't get much news on it anyway. But all I do know from a sneaker point of view is Nike went crazy and said, listen, just like every year, we're going to release an All-Star collaboration. If you don't recall, I done a video on All-Star Jordan 1 lows, which were black, which were phenomenal. The link's up there. Please go and watch that because you'll miss a trick if you don't go and watch that video. So what Nike did, they said, if we're going all the way, we might as well go with one of the most iconic silhouettes we have, and that's the Nike Air Force Ones. So what they did, they said, we're going to go in. We're going in, and it's going to be one of those where everyone's going to go, yes. Those are released in 2021 All-Star Weekend in March 2021. Don't know why I said 2021 twice. But without further ado, let's just get into boxing. My friend lent me these, so big ups to him. I don't know if he wants me to say his name or anything like that. If he does, you'll see his link in the see socials in the link below, but I'm not going to say it on here. That's up for him. And look, he didn't even open it. So it's a genuine unboxing. Oh. Sorry about the noise, people. That's his business. Ooh, okay. So, straight away, it's not a typical Air Force One box, okay? It's got a Nike black box with a patent type Nike shine on it. You can see it there on the top side. It carries on over that side. Underneath, you've got all the usual bump on recycling that. And it's an actual drawer. All right, let me get rid of that, sorry. It's an actual drawer, so pull that out. I think he's gonna wish he opened this first now, but never mind. There we go. Inside you've got silver paper. And then, can we pull it out more? Yeah, let's just pull it out. There's nothing else in there. And then inside you've got Air Force One. It says Air Force One-1 on the paper as well. And then inside is, okay. Let's just get these out. These are nice. These are nice. Let's put that to one side. Okay, so here we have the new Nike Air Force One React All-Star Black Barely Green. It's a lot to say. Let's just do what we normally do, and that's start with the sole of the shoe. Traditional Air Force One sole. They haven't gone away from the original silhouette on this. As you can see, you've got the target swirl where the ball of your foot will be. It swirls around there. You haven't got Nike in the bottom. You just got the swoosh sticker here, and then the target on the heel there. You can see it's quite translucent, and that's because inside where the white is, you've got React foam inside. So this is supposed to be a really comfortable kick. It's meant to be more comfortable than traditional Air Force Ones. But I don't know if Air Force Ones use React in it. I'm not too sure they do. So this will be very comfortable to wear from what I've read and what I understand. Let's go to the top of the shoe and let's to the lateral side of the shoe, the outside of the shoe. See the big words there? Anyway, it's got a tumble type leather as the base. The leather on top of that is a patent type leather with a lot of swirls going through it, as you can see. Now it's really nice actually. It's really nice. When you're far away you can't see it, but as you get close you can see that swirl. So on the toe box that travels all the way around, it's on top of the midsole and it travels around to the side. So as you can see, they haven't put an overlay tick on here, they've just outlined a massive tick, swoosh, whatever you want to call it. Okay, and it's so big that you can't even see the bottom of it. It travels on down into the midsole of the shoe, which I think it's a great touch actually. The other overlay again is patent with the swirls going the hilt, and at the back you have the traditional NBA All-Star Weekend Championship. I'll put some B-rolls there so you can see it better. And then as you carry around to the back, you've got a traditional Air Force One where it says Nike with the swoosh in the air underneath. You've got the tumbled leather there, which is now an overlay on top of the patent leather. Okay, and then on the inside, you've got where it says DMSX. I don't know what that means, I have to say. Someone in comments let me know. Again, medial side of the shoe, the inside of the shoe. See what I did again? Talented, you know. On the medial side of the shoe, again, you've got the other big swoosh that travels into the midsole and the overlay patent leather with the swirls in it, etc. The laces are traditional Air Force One laces. Nothing really to write home about those. Again, the overlay leather is a tumble leather where the lace is go through. The tongue has traditional Air Force Nike swoosh Air and Air Force One underneath. It actually says Air Force One there, and on the inside, let's see if I can take out the bit. Wow, hold on, if I can take this out, this is a wow. So I've got it all wrong. When I was saying to you before, I thought it had the React underneath, that's why it's white. It's not. Okay, that is just the midsole of the shoe and the white lining inside. The actual React is in the insole of the shoe. You can see React bottom there. See how high that is? They've got a gel. Is it gel or is it just? I think there's nothing. It's like maybe an air bubble. But on the back you see there it's got Nike React, and then it's got React kind of grip here and Nike React there. It looks like the outside of Nike Reacts, but on the insole, which is fantastic. This is a thick, look how thick that is. You can't go wrong with it. This is a comfortable shoe. This is going to be a comfortable shoe. Okay, I can't show you on feet. These are not, like I said, these are not mine. They were lent to me by a friend, but you know, I'm going to get some comments from him once he's worn them. He can let me know how comfortable they are. But looking at that, look how thick that is. Looking at that, I can't even, if I had another trainer, I'd show you how, it's just, that's monstrous. That's monstrous. But, and then the Nike React at the bottom. You know, not much more to say on that one. But that's mad. That's mad. Let me put this back in. That's why they're going to be comfortable. That's why they're going to be comfortable. That's crazy. But yeah, this is a nice kick. I have to say, when I saw it in the pictures, I was like, I don't know if I could be rocking green and black. But to be honest with you, this is, oh, you know what I've just noticed as well? On the side here, it's almost got like a React line going around the back. Now here it says Air, and then on here it's got Nike React as well. So if you look at most Nike shoes, the React shoes, you'll see that they've got those, the React, they've got that kind of thing on the back of the heel, and then they've got Nike React everywhere. It's just telling you, this is the one. This is a Nike React in the old, still popular silhouette made by Nike. You can't go wrong with this. This is, the leather's superb, and the tumble leather at the top is nice. The quality is nice. Nike haven't scrimped on this one. This is a nice kick, and it's going to be iconic because you know this is a 2021 All-Star release. It is what it is. You can't go wrong with this one. Yeah, I don't think there's much more for me to say on this, if I'm honest with you. But a nice kick. I love the way they've used the React cushioning in it. Yeah. There you have it. Nike Air Force 1 All-Star React black, barely green kicks. I'm gone.